Hello friends, welcoming all of you to my channel. In this edition, we will be talking about more of what are the services and utilities are required in any building and what are the things which are required for any factory premises. So let's start to understand what all these services are. Before designing any building, I really need to understand what is the best option which is available for the design envelope, how I can better utilize the building design envelope and reduce the heat gain to the building. The second is the equipment design, which are consuming more energy in any building, such as HVAC systems. So it is critical how HVAC system need to be designed and performed for any building. It includes air handling units, chiller, pumps, cooling tower, or any ancillary equipment. It need to be properly designed based on the conditions, based on the building design, based on the application. So we'll try to understand what are the design elements somebody really need to understand. The second is selection of equipment. How I can really contribute in making a good design along with the good equipment which are available in the market. The commissioning is really critical in any HVAC system, either it is building or even factory premises or even in any other cases. If it is not properly commissioned with the design intent, it is not going to deliver the specific power. It is not going to deliver the desired temperature which are required to any factory or the building premises. The commissioning plays a very critical role. So we will try to understand the commissioning aspects as well. Operations and the maintenance. Let's understand somebody had really designed a building very well, equipment, everything commissioned, everything has went well. But if it is not being operated with the design intent and not maintained, the energy consumption and the breakdowns are going to increase. So we need to understand all those dimensions as well while creating any HVAC system for the building. We will try to understand what are the codes and standards somebody really need to follow while creating a HVAC system for building. The second is the factory area. So if somebody is really building a factory or working on the retrofit or the green building project, or what are the things which somebody really need to understand? Again, in factory premises also, design envelope plays a very critical role, like building. Factory is having one more element of the utility apart from HVAC. It is compressed air system. Compressed air is equally critical in terms of operation of the factory along with HVAC. Both of these utility consumes nearly 50% of the energy in any factory premises. So we'll try to touch upon all of these dimensions individually for HVAC as well as the compressed air system, including design, selection of the equipment, commissioning of all of both of these utilities, operation and maintenance. The third element which comes like process heating and the cooling. Apart from the comfort which is required for the factory premises, compressed air which is required for the plant machineries, what are the heating and the cooling requirement which are there in the factory premises? Namely, it is being primarily used for the pre-treatment processes like electroplating, anodizing, etc. We'll try to understand all of these dimensions in detail, how efficiently we can design and actually integrate the solution in the factory. The paint booth, again, a big energy user in the factory premises. We'll try to understand what are the dimension somebody can really opt and go for it. We can also dwell into a few of the dimension of the machine design, how machine can be thought of, what are the services any machine can really require, what are the design element which somebody can really bring in while purchasing of any machine